Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my hearts here at Ann Arbor STEAM School in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and it was a incredible opportunity for me to speak in the city where I did my undergraduate at the University of Michigan here in Ann Arbor. Just an awesome day with all the students. They got to share their hearts with me, and I got to share my heart with them. The main topic was all about anti-bullying and seeing people for their hearts before you see anything else first. Like we talk about our heart as big as our fist, but if we're able to let love and peace and compassion and empathy fully enter into there, then we're able to turn that into this, the peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than higher than ourselves, if we choose that by showing them kindness, showing them love. I spoke to the K through 8 graders today, and kind of emotional for some of them that were in tears afterwards, and they came up to me just because they've had some type of pain, whether it was due to loss or getting bullied themselves, but they're starting to see that the best way that they can really honor somebody and their legacy is by how they choose to live, that they can make sure that they continue to show that kindness and make that person proud, but also that they understand that people that maybe hurting them by what they say or do are probably hurting themselves. We talk about how hurt people, but that healed people heal people, and both of those are choices. So it comes down to really seeing people for their heart before anything, treating them like you treat your best friend, and like the shirt says here, one race human, that we see everybody as human beings before anything else. Otherwise we can cause a lot of pain that can stay on their heart forever. So thanks for touching my heart today. Never forget that you guys are all beautiful miracles. The M etched on all of our palms, right? That stands for Michigan. My Wolverine's upside down W. But also, more importantly, for miracle and for worthy. That we never forget that we are true miracles, that we are good enough, and that part of our job now is to go help others, be their light, be their hope, and make sure that they see that they're great enough. And we step into our full potential by helping to heal hearts ourselves. Thanks again. Hope to see you guys again soon. Much love. Peace.